Hello everyone, myself Kiran. Welcome to WordPress Learning. In this video, we will learn how to install a subdomain on Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account and you will arrive here. Then come here and click on your Hostinger hosting account. Here you will find your hosting details and domain details. In left hand side, click on the domain and under that subdomain. In the subdomain, you enter the domain name you want to create for the subdomain. After that, click on this to create a folder of that subdomain. You can enter the same name as the folder and click on the create. See, it's created successfully. Now we will go to the below and check where is that domain created. Scroll down, in the bottom you can find the subdomain name here. So now we will install a WordPress on this subdomain. For that, come back to the main page, home, and scroll down. Here click on the hosting account, click on the WordPress overview, and in the above drop down you will find your subdomain name, which is in the first, WordPress learning. So click on that. Now you have to install the WordPress on this. Click on install now. Install. Enter the title of the website. It may be anything you want to enter. Enter. After that, the username of that WordPress. Make sure you enter the password where that you can remember. And to be safer side, you take a note of your username and password that you entered here, so that in future you can uh, log in from that username password and you don't forget it. And it should be the strong password which can match all the criteria mentioned below. Click next and install. It will take hardly a few seconds to install. So now it's done. If you scroll down, you will find the SSL certificate is already active on this. Hostinger provides the free SSL certificate for every website we host over there. It may be subdomain or the main domain. That is the one plus point. And click on this WordPress admin to log in the backend of the WordPress. Now you can see this is the backend of the subdomain WordPress WordPress that you install on the subdomain. Now you can find all the options in the left hand side. It's a theme page, it's a plugin page. From here you can install the new plugin, and all the other options are there in the left hand side. So friends, for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel.